Well, we're all very much looking forward to Camino Mhacha, the new sponsored walk which is designed to raise much needed funding for Aonach Mhacha, the new state-of-the-art Irish language and art centre in ancient Armagh city. The walkers on Camino Mhacha will make their way in the footsteps of Cuchulainn, the foremost warrior in the Ulster cycle of our mythological tales, all the way back from Mullaban to Armagh city. They will walk through glens and over hills in stunning beauty, and as well as remembering Cuchulainn, Camino Mhacha will of course remember Mhacha herself. Mhacha is the goddess of fertility, the goddess of the land, and also the goddess of our environment. We believe that mythological tales, our natural beauty and wildlife, and the Irish language all form part of our rich and important ecology here in County Armagh, and we're all ecologists these days. So, support Camino Mhacha, which will see the start of the Lunasa festival here at Aonach Mhacha. There's a link below where you can make your donation, and we look forward to everybody supporting Camino Mhacha so that we can open Aonach Mhacha and run a full programme of events in the very near future. Guracéad Maigah.